Hello, everybody. So, good morning to you all, and hope that all of you are doing well. And as you can see, this is Mukul Hossain here once again. So, you see, there are so many plots surrounding me, and I am here just because of I love to explore new places. I love to visit different kinds of places to learn something new. That's why I go to different place to learn something new. Yeah, if you want to learn something new, then you have to go to different place. You have to explore new thing if you want to learn something new. That's why today I have come here to learn something new. Yeah, as you can see, there are so many plots surrounding me, and the farmers have cultivated crops in this plot. Yeah, and basically they have planted right seedling. So after few months, they will get proper crops, proper food from this plot. Yeah, this is the thing that I want to share with you, and I have learned new things from this place. And if you want to learn something new, then you will go to different place, and or if you want to learn something new, then you can go through different kinds of books, magazine, newspaper, something is like that. Yeah, this is it. You can do from today. I think from today you will do this. Allah Hafiz.